let us have a review about the order of operations using the PEMDAS rule. The order of operations give us the concept of what to do first if there are multiple operations in our given. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And of course, there are grouping symbols. In this case, the PEMDAS rule gives us the parentheses, exponents, multiplication or division, addition, and subtraction. Applying this rule, let us solve these examples. It says here that we need to solve first what's in the parentheses. That is 6 minus 4 plus 7, 11 times 3. And the order of operations tell us that we do first multiplication or division before we do addition and subtraction. Again, multiplication or division first before addition or subtraction. In this case, we will not subtract 6 and 11. We will first multiply 11 and 3. That is 6 minus 33. And that is equal to negative 27. So this is equal to negative 27 applying the PEMDAS rule. Next, the parentheses or exponents. Let's have 2 times 8 plus 3 squared, that is 3 times 3 equals 9. Again, we do first multiplication or division before we add or subtract. Thus, we will first do 2 times 8, which is equal to 16, then plus 9 equals 25. In the last example, we have 2 times 4 squared divided by 4 minus 10. According to the rule, we first simplify or evaluate the exponent. That is, 2 times 4 squared is 16 divided by 4 minus 10. In this case, we do first either multiplication or division, whichever comes first. That means we will do first 2 times 16, which is equal to 32, divided by 4 minus 10. And then we do division before we do subtraction. That is, 32 divided by 4 is 8 minus 10, it's equal to negative 2. That is the PEMDAS rule. We do first what's in the parentheses, if there is any in the given, then the exponents, and either, that means either, or multiplication or division, whichever comes first, just like in this case. Multiplication comes first, thus we do multiplication first, before we do division. And it's either do addition or subtraction, whichever comes first. That is the PEMDAS rule or the order of operations.